Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make yourself look like cartoon using Canva application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva application, and first of all, we can click on these three lines in the top left, and then you have to go to the apps. Click on all apps right here and search for the Cartoonify. Just type in Cartoonify like this, and then you can search for it, and you can use this app to make yourself look like cartoon. Click on this application, and then you can choose either you want to use an existing design or use a new design, and I'm just going to use it in new design. And then we can choose the size of our design. For example, I'm going to select this Instagram post size. Okay, and hold on guys. Okay, and here you can upload your image or select one in your design to cartoonify it. I'm just going to upload file from my device. Okay, for example, I'm going to cartoonify this image, so I'm going to select it. Then we just need to wait until the process has completed. Okay, now it's done guys, and we're going to go back to our design, and this is the final result. Okay, once you're ready to save it, you can click on the save button to save this design to your device. Alright guys, and that's how we can make ourselves look like cartoon using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.